Welcome back everybody to my hydroponic setup. Let me show you what I have going on first. I planted these about 4 or 5 days ago. These sprouted within the first 2 days. So there is lettuce. So I have 3 of these cages, grow cages with lettuce. They're all doing the same. They were all about the same size. They're touching the inside of the dome, so I had to remove the dome. Let me turn the light on here real quick. And Shannon from Us and Our Bunch had sent me some marigolds, and those are in here in these cages. You can't really see much on these because they have the cover on them that keeps the light from going down into the unit, which causes algae. So, but they're not quite sprouted yet, but I think they're getting there. And then I'll just put the dome back on it. Today, what I'm doing is I have got my 2 pimento seeds because I grew those pimento peppers, and I'm going to plant them over here by the lettuce. So I'm just going to put these 2 cages there, and then I'm going to take my seed pod, which has been soaking for about a half an hour. They recommend soaking it for half an hour. My seeds have been soaking for a couple of hours. They recommend 4 to 5 hours. They've been soaking since early this morning. So as you can see, the cage is now holding the seed pod. And then all you do is, they give you these little tweezers. I'm going to come in and you just poke that down in there. And then you just set the cage into the hole, which is then the tip of this goes down into the water. So there's my second cage with my second seed pod. And my second pimento seed. Hopefully that comes through. I had a great success growing pimento peppers this year. That's why I'm kind of excited. I also have some micro tomato seeds from Broke but Bountifully Blessed from Carol that I'm going to be planting next. I'll do a video on that later. I didn't have a lot of time. I forgot to get them out and get them the pods wet, and I forgot to get the seeds in for a couple hours. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. Another cool feature about this unit is, let me turn this light off for a second, is it does misting. So if you see that, I turn this on for a little while during each day, and it just sends a mist over the plants, just like you'd have in a grocery store where they mist them. And it does it goes 2 minutes on, I think 3 minutes off, 2 minutes on, 3 minutes off until you shut it off. So I let it run for a while during the day. I'm still seedling, so I'm still running 60% light power for about 16 hours a day. And so yeah, there you have it. I'll see you in a couple of days with the next video where I'm planting Carol's micro tomatoes. And then we'll see about getting the rest of these filled with something. Not sure what yet, but I'm trying to pick out the seeds I want to try. So we'll see you then. Have a great day.